Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Nubia Neo 2 and I want to show you how to manage your Google passwords on this device. To do that, open Google Chrome application and tap on three dots on the right corner. In it, choose Settings, and there we have our Google Password Manager. And there we can manage our Google passwords with our smartphone. Remember, maybe to our Facebook account. We can click there. Now we must enter our look screen to get connected to these passwords. And there we can copy our email, copy our passwords using this first icon. Or after we choose this ice icon, our smartphone shows us password rich. Remember, you can also share this password to someone by using this icon and share to someone, or we can edit all our smartphone remember by tap on edit, and now we can write something new in our username, passwords, or on our note. Remember, when we write something, press save to save it. That's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.